Did you know that you can play Spotify on your Apple Watch even without needing your iPhone? Yes, you can not only stream Spotify but also download your favorite playlist on your Apple Watch for offline listening. My name is Prakhar, you're watching Wearholic, and in this video, I'll show you how to play Spotify on your Apple Watch without needing an iPhone. However, you're going to need the paired iPhone for the setup process, so keep it handy. Now first things first, install Spotify on both the devices from the Play Store. You're also going to need a premium Spotify account to be able to play and download music on your Apple Watch. So log into your Spotify account on your iPhone while your Apple Watch is connected to it. It will automatically sync the account. Now, on your Apple Watch, you'll see the media player window. From here, you can play, pause, or change the track. Add it to your playlist and access the repeat and shuffle buttons. Now to play the music on your Apple Watch, tap on this icon, select Apple Watch and tap on Connect a device. From here, you can connect your wireless earbuds or speakers to stream the audio. I am pairing my Tozo NC9 earbuds with it, and for their price, they offer good sound quality, decent call quality and very good adaptive noise cancellation. They also have IP68 water resistant, so perfect for those sweaty workouts. If you're interested in these earbuds, then check out the link in the description. After pairing the earbuds, you can start streaming your favorite songs on your Apple Watch without needing an iPhone. But you'll always need a Bluetooth device to play the audio unless you have the Apple Watch Series 10, as it allows music streaming from the Watch speaker. All the other Apple Watches till the Series 9 does not allow to play music from the speaker. In this regard, the Galaxy Watches are better as they allow you to stream music directly through the Watch speaker and through the connected Bluetooth audio device as well. I have made a video on how to play offline Spotify on Galaxy Watch. You can check it out by tapping on the I button. Now, to play offline Spotify on your Apple Watch without an iPhone, you'll need to download your favorite playlists. To do that, you'll need to open Spotify on your iPhone. Go to your favorite playlist, tap on the three dots and select Download to Apple Watch. With that, you are ready to play Spotify offline on your Apple Watch without needing your iPhone or internet connection. If you found this video informative, then hit the like button, subscribe to Wearholic and let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.